Hello guys, my name is ScorzyGaming, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are reviewing the Lego Ninjago Dragons Rising Kai's motorcycle speed something. Okay, so let's first look at the box. Okay, so of course Lego Ninjago Dragons Rising. There's an image of Sora and the thing. Of course, an image of Kai with. Of course, this is set number 71838. Kai's thingy. There's only 79 pieces. Of course, you get Kai and the Spirit Dragonian Scout. Just basic thing. Just more reference images. Bunch of thing. Already done that. Not much. Okay, now
the minifigures.
Okay, here's the Kai minifigure. And of course he has a this transparent red and gold sword, where of course if you but of course his printing is of course brilliant. Especially this dragon sort of mold. If I get it's coming most of the thing. If you can see sort of oh, it's the reveal blade. That's what it's called. Yeah. I mean, there people do. I have heard that people have moaned about the fact that comes out quite far. I do understand, but of course, there's the front, side, back, other side. Okay. Now, if I take off the hair straight up, take off that. And you can see this really nice looking. Yeah, that's actually really nice looking printing. Of course, back. Yeah. Of course, he has the classic sort of Ninjago movie based. Of course, none of these figures. Okay. If you have one of these pieces, of course, this one's in green because I could not find a lot thing, but that's what they roughly would look like with. I think that's what they do in the show. But of course, he only comes with the bandana. Okay. There's Kai. Next is your the Spirit Dragonian Scout. has a bit of a mouthful. Of course, you can see that he has some he's he's got some translucent pieces. Pretty much just like the regular one, but a spirit instead of. Of course, if you take off thing and just go for that, you see the front and the back of them. And of course, if you grab the reveal blade, you can see that it's somewhat, if it wants to work. See how it gets rid of. It turns all the white, the red into like white. So that's what that's for. Of course, it's got a kind of interesting thing. Okay, let's go on to the main builds.
The main builds.
Okay, let's first look at Kai's. Of course, these are very simple. So front, side, other side. Okay, for the actual price, these are not that bad. And there's the Dragonian Spirit one. What's pretty much the exact same build as that, but with some slight modifications. I would probably say that if you want to get a cheap way of getting Kai, this would be the set to get. But if you are trying to get the other minifigures, like the Snake Ninja, probably not the best set to pick up. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.